Hey everyone, I'm Shane. I may not know much, but when it comes to helping you build your overseas business, I'm your guy. So today we are going to talk about how to pick the right social media platforms when expanding your business overseas. Social media, who doesn't know about it, right? Everyone uses it these days, but here's the thing. There are so many social media platforms around the world, and choosing the right one can get a bit tricky. Let's first look at the major platforms. Facebook is the world's largest social media platform with users from all over the globe. Whether you are doing B2C or B2B, Facebook is a great option. Instagram is super popular, especially for brands that focus on visuals. If you're in fashion, beauty, or food, posting high-quality photos and videos on Instagram can help you attract tons of followers. Twitter is great for real-time interactions and new updates. So if your business needs to post frequently and engage with users, Twitter is a solid choice. LinkedIn is a professional platform mainly for career-focused people and business. If you're in B2B or want to network with professionals, LinkedIn is essential. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform. If you have lots of video content like product demos or customer reveals, YouTube is a great place to showcase it. TikTok is the rising star, especially loved by younger people. If your target audience is young, you can't miss TikTok. Now, how do you pick the right one for your business? First, think about where your target market is. Social media popularity varies by country. For example, Facebook and Instagram are huge in the US, while Twitter and Line are more popular in Japan and in Southeast Asia. TikTok and WhatsApp lead the way. Next, think about who your target audience is. Different platforms have different user groups. Choose the platform that best connects with your audience based on your product and services. Also, consider what type of content you create. If you're good at making videos, YouTube and TikTok are perfect. If you're better at writing articles and posting updates, Twitter and LinkedIn might be more up your alley. Budget is also an important factor. Advertising costs and result can vary by platform. For example, Facebook and Instagram ads can be pricey but have a huge reach, while TikTok ads are more affordable but have highly engaged users. Once you choose your platform, don't forget to regularly monitor your performance. See which platforms are working best and which ones need tweaking. You can use social media analysis tools like Facebook Insights to track your results. Choosing the right social media platform is a big step in expanding your business abroad. Hope today's tip helped you to avoid any detour on your journey and lead you to success. Hope these tips make your overseas business journey smoother. See you next time.